What are hiccups? Have you ever had hiccups? If you have, you know they can be really annoying. But what causes hiccups and how can we stop them? Let's find out. When you eat or drink too quickly, your stomach gets upset. It has these involuntary contractions that make your diaphragm move up and down very fast. This is what causes hiccups. The diaphragm is a large dome-shaped muscle that sits in your rib cage. It's like a big umbrella. When it moves up and down, it helps you breathe. It also helps your stomach expand so you can eat and drink. But when it does its job too fast, it can cause hiccups. Hiccups usually go away by themselves within a few minutes. But if they last longer, you may need some help to stop them. Drinking water that's very cold or very hot can sometimes stop hiccups. Taking a deep breath and holding it for as long as you can also helps. Another way to stop hiccups is to eat or drink something sour, like a spoonful of mustard or vinegar. Some people say that biting into a lemon can help, too. If these things don't work, you may need a little medical help. Doctors don't always know why hiccups happen, but they can help you stop them. One thing doctors use is something called a vagus nerve stimulator. It's a small device that sends gentle electrical signals to your vagus nerve. This nerve runs from your brain to your stomach. The signals help control your hiccups. Sometimes doctors use a special breathing technique to help you control your hiccups. They may also suggest drinking through a straw to help slow down your breathing. In most cases, hiccups aren't a serious problem, but they can be really annoying. I hope you never have hiccups again.